Dive into English. Understanding wave pool. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and watery topic: wave pools. We'll explore what they are, where you can find them, and how this term fits into the English language. So grab your swimsuits, metaphorically, and let's make a splash in learning. A wave pool is a swimming pool designed to generate waves, similar to those of the ocean. Unlike a regular pool with still water, a wave pool creates movement and mimics the natural rhythm of the sea. This feature makes them popular attractions in water parks and resorts. Wave pools offer a unique experience, combining the excitement of ocean waves with the safety and control of a man-made environment. The term wave pool is a compound noun, made up of two words, wave and pool. Wave refers to the moving swell of the sea, typically caused by wind. Pool, on the other hand, means a small area of still water, usually artificially made. Combined, they describe a pool that replicates sea waves. The concept originated as a way to bring the ocean experience to places far from the sea and has since become a popular feature in various leisure and recreational settings. Now, let's see how to use wave pool in sentences. This can help you understand its context and usage better. For example, 1. The kids spent all day playing in the wave pool. 2. I never learned to surf in the ocean, but I've tried surfing in a wave pool. 3. Our hotel in Dubai had an enormous wave pool, which was a highlight of the trip. In each of these sentences, wave pool is used as a noun, referring to the location or the feature within a story or description. While wave pool is the most common term, there are variations based on region and context. For instance, some might refer to it as a surf pool or artificial wave pool. Despite the slight differences, the core concept remains the same: a pool that simulates ocean waves for entertainment and recreation. And that's our splash into the world of wave pools. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase, but also how it's used in everyday English. Remember, language learning is like swimming in a wave pool: exciting, a bit challenging, but ultimately rewarding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be surfing the waves of English with ease. See you in our next video adventure.